Has been like this all this time, hindi pa lang statistician ng kastad.
Talaga na-overtake yan?
Na-overtake lang tayo. Anyway, just to guide you in your planning niya, Jermaine, needs assessment kayo. You look into your livelihood needs, your educational needs. I remember ni Glenn Hackett was a scholar of EdCorp.
Yes.
The first na nakita ka SK, so that my goodness, like, this guy is going somewhere. He's going to win a lot of wars. Ano taon mo yun?
16.
Oy, can you imagine that? Fresh out of regional
Science.
high.
Frustrated valedictorian.
Oh, diba? Education. Istoryak lang din naman kayo, Jay. Napanan tayo. Mount Apos, niya nga banda din.
Davao.
Head course, sponsor that. Talagang piman nga kasi talamin nila, they will get the children, they will educate them. They will become part of the of head course. So that the priority na lang alam na ang trabaho ni Jay. So may Jay ang aming empleyado ni Jay were scholars of the community. Very strong JIPO Jay. JIPO head na former nga police ganit. So and then may background siya sa law. So you cannot discount J knowledge na may and the power of authority na over all the heads J community nga IPO. Ano pintas yan? Yung nagpintas ki man J. Sayang lang at may nga ron J nga na-inspire pi man ni Sir Pendo hindi nga rin nun na ito CRDP. Sa iso ka pa yung man J ma ito J credits. Kasi during that time that only Binog was getting inyati ayam do J. Barangay budget. Barangay budget they could adati shared from the board. So nga na last TV ng adati hindi pa lang adati tagalinis na ti kalsada, adati agbaybayad na pa iti kuryente ti how many households, libre. It's payback from headboard because of the grants. Infrastructure, hindi niya ti kasapulan ni Jai. What they would like to give. Among the headquarters, they are very, very open. Donated back to the community. I remember meeting Engineer Tabanda. He was the Vice President of headquarters. They mayat na that the partnership na kami din yung. We partnered with him with regards to environment. Nagandang knowledge and share na kinyato during that time. Self-governance, you are an IPO, I'm guessing you are organized, you have your rules and regulations, you have your policies, whatever it is that you need when it comes to capability building, mabilis yung mga capability ito budgets you. Kayo nagpa-share dyan outside, makita yung outside world. Lahan na dyan lang dyan lubong tayo dito di pa na lakbay aral. Aral tayo, maglakbay tayo. Joy of the fruits of being an IT. Environment, natural resources. I remember hindi nag-planning session kami last year regarding environment. Yung pagkakaman ni attorney Singa. Kasi he is your libre nga attorney niya. Kung napiman nga, the communal forest in the future. Si bakit yung dyan could be handled by the IPO. Depende no the agreement with the local government unit and kinayo. Yung problema mi lang gamin, may sangan na bayan na problema mi ngay katawan mo lang forest land use plan ni. Forest land use plan para ma-turn over the management to the LGU. Kasi dati yung mag-analaga tayo man-manage LGU niya, munisipyo. Kaso, legally, it's not yet still under our management. So, maalatag, ma-approve ko man ito yung forest land use plan, which, sad to say, ngayon na irugi tayo also with Senro, and then nag-retire naman ng tao, nayabaon man nun. So, balik-balik lang. Ulit-ulit lang yung problema. So, hopefully, ngayon, if you can help us with the end na mabalin na kayuti at manage the communal forest. Pero of course, with rules rules and regulations, may mga nagabiti plano sa tayo, communal forest, most especially, kasi it's becoming a tourism area, it's becoming an area where we can forest bathing, ngayon magtandi ay, pati babakot lang na kayo, mapataka mag na, ako, pati nanang ko 8 years old, pinagpagpag na na diya. Anyway, anything that you can see, culture, doon tayo yung issues and concerns. So if you identify it as your need, then for sure, it will come out, you will come out with a program, project, and activity in your ADS DPP. And then from here, no, alam ko dyan, table na, ma-fill up nyo rito kasi categories yun dito, economic, nako, dami. Tourism, environment, social, health, infrastructure, self-help projects. Oh, almost the same.
Add the education and culture.
Yes. If you are going to put it here in your DPP and then you will prioritize it. Kasi the problema tayo, nalayin tayo, identify it. Project, kanya, kinada doon naman di listaan. Can you imagine, yung munisipyo ngayon, din nag-CDP kami, 108 projects. Nakahanap lang, sino nga, inya na yun, mo mga utak. Diba, ganun naman ang question. Basta pa nga prioritize you. But it's good for the community, it's good for for your families also. Halaga self-interest, what is also good for the community. So, kailangan ako. And then, we would like also to request, hopefully, no matasyo dyan as DPP, you furnish us a copy. Kasi, by law, we are also required to include all of your programs and projects and activities in the comprehensive development plan. Kasi kasama tatang, we include culture, arts, we include climate change, we include, yan ba yung nagay magkaroon gender issues. I remember gaya, jay pinagrugyan ni gender issues and concerns tayo iti dyan. Nilagrugyan tayo kung mga ADS-DPP because we started with gender issues. Issues that are found in the house, at home. Basta ano to na nakalista. Dito ako mo nagpapaypaysin pa lang dito. This was done more than 5 years ago. Problema pa ba na kung na nga the educational opportunities for women are hampered by traditional thinking? Hindi na? What do you think?
No more.
Hindi na, no? Hindi kami ngayon, ibagay nila lalaki nga hanggang iswilan, sumat lang ang masawang ka. Nagpapayso pa ba diyan? Baliktad mo itong tatang, mas educated na babae tatang. Okay, so it's not an issue anymore. Ito, limited employment opportunities because there is limited education or kurang skill.
That's a perennial.
You don't think of yourselves, think of your children, your grandchildren. Or napak lang tayo gabi na gusto tayo. We always invest on education.
Actually, di problema tatamam ngay kat han nga di pang tuition. Problema ngay kat di pag-eskwelahan.
Akala ko dyan pamasahe.
Han pag-eskwelahan data Calcaro College, di ba BSU is narigan nga umunod di BSU. Tapos halos amin ngay kat fully
May private daw
well,
yung listahan yan.
pati private ngay kat na full load lang ngay di student set. So awanon ti
Okay.
Ako si Pino.
Natayo kayo dito na makaunag, dagay na dumating makaunag.
Nakili makaunag. Datayo nga ay istihan nga makaunag. So datayo ti mauawan.
Anyway, sige. Note nyo na lang yun. We have a lot of customs that tend to deplete our financial resources. Tapos lang ang kanyang lady.
Awanon na yun.
Kapay na pabasa ka ka. Isa lang naman. So, naawatan tayo niya na ang deplete resources tayo diyan. Kasi for example, balik ko nga, may sanga kadwang iti. Han ka nung gamin nga na, niya ka DJ ritual nga aramidom after burial. Hindi.
Sabu-sabu.
Basta ada ka nung masapon na aramidom, she did not do it kasi nga ginastusan na karoon ng mami nung DJ burial and everything. Inutangan na diya. Hanay na rami DJ next. Si Marunong nga DJ ading na. I don't know, maybe, I'm not sure. Sorry, hanang ko na nga. Anyway, han na ngayon naramit. Di ritual na diya. Si Marunong ni ading na. Iko na diya ading na. Han mo kami ngayon naramit. So, very
Suspect lang.
pati ay. Accidente din nangyari yung kapsat na nang. Kasi on her part, may kapsat na nga. It was a burden on her part. Nabagal. Iso naggagas sa mamin, di ba? Tapos, ang buray pa ito na naidusan ako ni. Anyway, those things na awatan tayo nga pa. Dito eh. Aduno na ipapabati children tayo. Hantay pa ilang na naagati family tayo. According to this,
Awan mo ito. Wise da. Batid na pa yung nag-asawa.
the average size now of a family is surprisingly 4. 4. Alcoholism, drunkenness. Gusto pa ba ito?
Sa mga young ones na.
Young ones, wala na sa matatanda.
Wala na sa mga.
Ay, buti na lang matanda na ako. Sanitation at home. Hygiene. Ako tayo dito yan.
G, walang sinunod dito. Igit-igit
So,
na.
hindi na. Anyway, I will give this to you mag-language as a result of our planning session before. So, makamo kayo no inyati kayo. Dito yung mga pillars dito yung according to the note sa yung basis you when you come up with your development needs, your issues and concerns. JP kaya mo lang ako doon in other words. When it comes also to self-governance, as an IPO, kami nyo lang situation. Kasi alangan mo yung problema outside the community. So, para mo, you as a organization, as I hear, like adult issues even within. So, kailan ako,
Yes, ma'am.
hanggang ijayak lang, sorry, I cannot also extend myself. Yun una ko, we are currently writing the comprehensive development plan. So, hanggang dito lang, kaya mo na yan, Duda.
Ado dapat kita.
Buwan, ano kayo?
Titinulog.
Ano kayo? Nalalay kayo ang Gani Carla nga.